getting closer inland of the main sidewalk there, less trash. Did stumble on my first sweet penny, so let's see if we can get a date and see how old it is. It's a nice one. Looks like a 1941 with no mint mark. So let's see if we can get a little bit older. 41 though, that's silver range. So yeah, I'm happy to have that. I'll see you at the next hole. Okay, got just a clad quarter. It's about that deep right there. It was right there. So nothing major. I found 2 dimes so far. 3 dimes. No, 2 dimes. 3 dimes and 1 penny quarter. So we're looking for a nickel now. And then I have the wheat penny. Okay, we'll see you at the next hole. Okay, this looks modern day. Not sure I'm gonna get a reading off of that. It's probably 9 mil though. But live bullet just laying right here in the dirt. Huh. You don't like finding that. But okay, to the next hole. Okay guys, we'll see what this is together here. That's 45. Okay, it's in the hand here. Where is it at? There it is. What are we gonna get? Pretty crusty. Might be another wheat penny. Okay, let's get the brush out. She's pretty caked. I think I see the wheat sand on there. Yep, there it is. Another wheat penny, 1 cent. And I'll get the juice out of here. See if we get a date on this. Not on the right side. Almost there. In the 40s. I think it's another 41. Looks like another 41. Okay, I'll take a picture of it and we'll get back with you to the next hole. Okay guys, I'm on my 4th wheat cent. And let's, well, right there. on the sidewalk here. This one coming out a little better. It's a little older too, 1958. Not sure on the min mark. It looks like Denver. Well, I'm re-looking at it. Might be 1938. No, that's definitely a 5. 1958 Denver wheat penny. Is that the last year? We just made it. I like it. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I found this time I found this kind of bullet. It don't look like it's fired. It does have that crimping on it. Not sure, it looks brass, copper. Definitely not lead, I guess, because of the tip. But probably a newer one. I don't know, maybe someone makes their own. Hard to tell. I'll have to ask around about that one. Okay, to the next hole. I think we got another wheat penny here. This might be an old one. A lot of junk on it. I don't know. You guys see it? Yeah, I think it's coming through now. You guys see the one sitting on there? I'm sure you guys can by now. Okay. Third, yeah, there it is. What's the date? It's in the teens. Looks like 1912. 1913. I'm gonna have to take a picture, guys, when I get this home out. It looks like 1913. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Wasn't very deep. Just a hand here. Just stuck the shovel in there. Just plopped it up there. There's really nothing to hurt, but can you see it right there in the dirt? I just got my pinpointer out and swished the dirt around. It was right there. Not sure what it is. Let's hope for a wheat penny. The tone it was given. Number 5. Looks like a 43. Nice orange 44. Yeah, look at that. That's number 5 for the day. We'll take them all day long, but I got a little bit left of this side yard, and a small piece in the backyard. Let's try to get us a piece of silver. Let's see, we're in a date range, and the wind's picking up. Feels really good here in Omaha. I'm not complaining. So anyways, I'm sorry, I'm gonna turn the camera off. We'll catch you at the next hole. Okay, we just finished up. This was a 1930 home. Found a couple bullets, about 5 wheat pennies. Look at that tree. That thing is massive. That's a beautiful tree. Beautiful home. 1930. Really enjoyed the hunt. We got just a bunch of clad. I didn't get my silver that I wanted, but you know, you think with the wheat pennies we would have got some. Okay, we'll see you at the next adventure.